Welcome to another grammar lesson with teacher Catalina. Estoy súper feliz de verte. Today, we are learning how to conjugate stem-changing verbs. But I don't want you to be afraid of those words. The rules are very simple and we're going to cover them together. By the end of today's lesson, you will be conjugating stem-changing verbs with a stem change of an E to an IE. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. Vamos al salón de clase. Let's go to the classroom. But before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, vamos al salón de clase. Are you ready to start conjugating? Good! I think I heard a C. That makes me super feliz. Today, we are going to be conjugating a special kind of verb. I said it, it's a special kind of verb, so you know what that means by now. There's a few things that we're gonna have to watch out for. Today's kind of verb are stem-changing verbs. I want you to think. What do you think stem-changing verbs do? Think. Good. The stem changes. Excellent. That's what we're going to be focusing on. Stem-changing verbs have a change in the stem. Does that mean we still have to change the ending? Yes, it does. So we still have to worry about the ending of the verb and also the stem. So let's take a second and review the parts of a verb. Let's look at this verb here. Empezar. Empezar. That means to begin, to start. The AR is what we call the ending. Whatever's left over, that's the stem. So now that we did that little quick review and we know the AR is the ending and whatever's left over is the stem, again, think. We still are changing the AR according to our AR verb endings. And now we're gonna change a little something on the stem as well, okay? Good, let's go. Vamos. During today's lesson, we are going to be focusing on stem-changing verbs that have an E. And that E is going to change to IE. I'm gonna show you how. Remember the verb empezar? I said it a few seconds ago. That means to begin or to start. Vamos a empezar la clase. Empezar. Empezar is a stem-changing verb. So not only do we have to worry about changing the AR, the ending, but we also have a change in the stem. And that's going to be this E. That E is going to change in all forms except for nosotros and vosotros. So again, make sure that you remember you will still change the AR according to the endings that we learned before, and you can refer to that video lesson below, but you're also going to be changing this specific E to an IE in all of the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. Don't worry, I'm about to show you how this works. I am sure you remember our conjugation chart. Remember to make sure that you're comfortable with your subject pronouns. And since this is an AR verb, we want to make sure that you remember the AR verb endings, which are o, as, a, amos, ais, and an. You still need them because it's still an AR verb, but it also has a change in the stem. So are you ready to conjugate it? Good, let's do it. I'm going to be using two different color markers, verde y rojo, so you can see the change in the stem. So let's look at the verb empezar. E-M-P, but we know that that E changes to I-E. So what we do is we do like this, and then we finish it off like a regular AR verb. So all we did is we conjugated it like a regular AR verb, but we remember that that E changes to IE. So we did empiezo. Empiezo. I begin or I start. Empiezo. Let's see how we do about to. Our stem. We know the E changes to. That's right. I, E. And then we finish it off like a regular AR verb. Empiezas. So we have empiezo and empiezas. Él, ella, and usted. We follow the same pattern. The E changes to I, E. And we finish it off like a regular AR verb. Empieza. So far we have empiezo, empiezas, and empieza. Perfecto. Okay, now we have to pay close attention to nosotros and vosotros because at the very beginning I told you that stem changers do not change in the nosotros and the vosotros form. So just so we remember, let's put a start next to those two subject pronouns so that we don't forget. So remember, no change on the stem. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna conjugate it like a regular AR verb. So we would say, empezamos. Nosotros empezamos la clase de español. We start Spanish class. Nosotros empezamos la clase de español. The same thing happens with vosotros. No change in the stem. And there you have it. Notice again how we did not change anything on the stem and we still use the regular AR verb endings. Got it? Excellent. Now, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Do we change the stem? Yes, we do. We have to change it in all forms except for nosotros and vosotros. So this would look, the E changes to IE, and we finish it off like a regular AR verb. So we would end with empiezan. Ellos empiezan la clase de español. And that's it. You conjugated a stem changing verb. What did you do? You changed the AR ending just like a regular AR verb. So we have o, as, a, amos, eyes, and an. But you also changed the stem. And for empezar, that E changes to IE in all of the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. So the E changed to IE in all forms except for nosotros and vosotros. That's how you conjugate a stem changing verb. Check this out. We are ready to conjugate our second stem changing verb that changes from E to IE. The verb querer. Querer. That U is silent in this case. Querer. The E, which E? This E, changes to IE in all of the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. It is still an ER verb, so we still have to change the endings. So remember, stem changers, we take care of the ending, but we also take care of a little something on the stem. In this case, that E changes to IE in all forms except for nosotros and vosotros. Ready to do this? ¿Listos? Okay, so let's see how we do this. Querer. We got to the E, so it changes to IE. And you have quiero. Yo quiero hablar español. I want to speak Spanish. For tú, we will do, we got to the E, so we change it to IE. And we finish it off like a regular ER verb. Tú quieres hablar español. Tú quieres hablar español. You want to speak Spanish. Quieres. Let's move on to él, ella, and usted. We got to the E, we change it to IE, and we finish it off. Él quiere hablar español. He wants to speak Spanish. Or María quiere hablar español. Muy bien. Okay, remember, nosotros and vosotros. Is there a stem change? Muy bien, you've got it. No, we do not change the stem on nosotros and vosotros. So in that case, querer, we will treat it like a regular ER verb in these two forms. So we would say, queremos, we want, nosotros queremos, vosotros queréis, vosotros queréis hablar español, vosotros queréis. No change in nosotros and vosotros in the stem. You leave it alone. So let's finish the verb querer, to want. Do we change ellos, ellas, and ustedes in the stem? For the verb querer, yes we do. We change that E to an IE. So we would say, quieren. Ellos quieren hablar español. So again, notice how we still conjugated the ending. We still changed the ending. O, es, hemos, es, and en. Like a regular ER verb. But in addition, we changed that E to IE in all of the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. Here you go. And you conjugated your second stem changing verb, E to IE. Chocolas! You conjugated stem changing verbs. So now let's focus on learning other stem changing verbs and what they mean so you can follow the same rules in changing the E to IE on the stem. Remember, regardless of whether it is an AR, ER, or IR verb, you still have to change the ending, but in addition, you're also changing the stem. So take a look at all of these common stem changing verbs that you're most likely going to be using in your daily talk with Spanish speakers or in your Spanish class. Notice that I've put up the meaning so you know what they mean, and I've also circled that E that changes to IE. Look at some of those verbs may have two E's on the stem, but only the one I've circled is the one that changes. And please, don't forget, you cannot change the stem in the nosotros and vosotros. So do keep that in the back of your mind. Nosotros and vosotros do not have a change in the stem changing category. So I hope that you are now a little bit more comfortable with stem changing verbs. Like always, it's going to take practice, but that's okay. Remember that you can play and replay this video as many times as you need to until you are comfortable conjugating stem changing verbs in which the E changes to IE in all of the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. You did fantastic, and I am super proud of you. Now you are able to conjugate regular AR verbs, regular ER verbs, regular IR verbs, a few irregulars, and now stem changers, E to IE. Don't forget to review the verbs that we learned in class today and that you pay close attention which E changes to IE. I know you're going to do fantastic, and don't forget, play and replay this video as many times as you need to. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. Adios!